Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you a story. Through this story, you will learn how to use natural English in daily life. So, imagine with me. You are in London City. Morning in London. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. You wake up in your hotel room. You open the window, and you see the busy streets of London. People are walking fast, buses are moving, and the city is alive. You say to yourself, today is going to be an amazing day. Asking for directions. You go outside, and you don't know the way to the underground station, so you stop a man and ask, "Excuse me, could you please tell me the way to Oxford Circus?" The man smiles and says, "Go straight, then turn left. You will see the station." You reply, "Thank you so much." And he says, "You're welcome." Coffee shop. After a short walk, you enter a coffee shop. The barista looks at you and asks, "Good morning, what can I get you today?" You answer confidently, "I'd like a cappuccino, please." The barista smiles and says, "Coming right up." This is how you order politely in English. You sit down with your coffee. Next to you, a person says, "Hi, is this seat free?" You reply, "Yes, please have a seat." Then he asks, "Where are you from?" You say, "I'm from Pakistan. I'm here to learn English and explore London." After finishing your coffee, you step outside. The streets are full of life, people talking, buses moving, tourists taking photos. You check your map and think, where should I go next? You decide to visit the British Museum. So, you stop a young woman and ask, "Excuse me, how can I get to the British Museum?" She replies kindly, "Take the bus number 98. It will take you directly there." You say, "Thank you so much," and she answers, "No problem, have a great day." See, this is how Londoners speak in daily life. At the museum. When you enter the museum, you feel amazed. So many beautiful things. Ancient statues, paintings, and history everywhere. You go to the information desk and ask, "Excuse me, is the entry free?" The staff smiles and says, "Yes, it's free. Enjoy your visit." Then, while looking at an exhibit, you hear someone ask you, "Do you like history?" You reply, "Yes, very much. This place is incredible." Now you are practicing English even inside the museum. Evening shopping at Oxford Street. After the museum, you go to Oxford Street, the shopping paradise. Shops are glowing with lights. People are carrying bags, and music is playing. Inside a store, the cashier asks, "Hello, can I help you?" You reply, "Yes, I'm looking for a jacket. Do you have size medium?" The cashier says, "Yes, right over there. Please try it on." You try the jacket and say, "This fits perfectly. I'll take it." And finally at the counter, "How much is it?" "It's £50, please." "Here you go. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice evening." This is how real shopping conversations happen. Night walk at Tower Bridge. After shopping, you walk towards Tower Bridge. It's night now, and the bridge is shining with lights. You stand there and say, London is beautiful at night. A tourist couple stands next to you. They say, isn't the view amazing? You reply, yes, it's wonderful. Where are you from? They say, we are from Italy. What about you? You reply, I'm from Pakistan, visiting London for the first time. They smile and say, enjoy your trip. This is natural conversation with strangers. Ending the day. After a long, exciting day, you return to your hotel. You sit on the bed, take a deep breath, and think. Today, I lived in English. I asked questions. I ordered food. I shopped. I made conversations. This is how you learn, not just by reading books, but by living the language. So friends, your homework today. Imagine your own trip in English. Write about where you go, what you say, and who you meet. That is how you will improve every day. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next lesson.